Hello friends, if you are searching how to turn off motion control on Nintendo Switch, then today I am going to tell you how you can do this in some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. Let's get started. Example of how to turn off motion controls on Switch using Mario Golf Super Rush. Open the game. Now, open the options menu. Now, locate the motion control option. But keep in mind, some games have multiple motion control options. Now, set the motion control option to off. Start a game mode which supports motion controls. Now, select button controls. Please note, not all games give this option. You may see button controls, standard controls, an option to disable motion controls, or there may be no option to disable motion controls when starting a game depending on the game. Your game will launch with motion controls disabled. Last question comes in mind, is the Nintendo Switch motion control? The Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons, the Pro Controller, and some third-party controllers include built-in motion sensors, and some games support motion controls. The Switch itself isn't motion control, as you can't use motion controls to navigate system menus, and motion controls aren't implemented on a system-wide level. There is no way to turn motion controls on or off for the entire Switch and every game you play. By using this method you can easily turn off motion control on Nintendo Switch. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button.